Y'all check this out. I'm Gary Jacobs with Tri-State Armature and Electrical Works out of Memphis, Tennessee. Drove up here to Bentonville to see OZ Tech install some Packout stuff for me. I'm an industrial electrician in Memphis, like I said, and riding around in a truck, that stuff bouncing up and down, so y'all check this out. I got like lockout, tag out stuff in here, keep my guys safe. This is just a little planning box, put whatever in there. Pack out, hook it up there, vacuum cleaner. On this side, got a couple more drawers and little knick-knack accessories on here. And then, wrenches, screwdrivers, all the stuff you gotta do to do your work. Right there at your hands, man. You ain't climbing up in there, wearing them old men knees out. Got more lockout, tag out stuff. So y'all get a chance, come on down here and see him, man. He'll fix you up.